Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have push access and the latest code. Clone or fetch the repository so you operate on current branches, then locate the Readme file name and path in the project root. Once done, switch to the branch you intend to modify. Make sure it's the correct working branch to avoid accidental changes. You're preparing context and permissions so the removal is safe and reversible, and you can create a backup branch before deleting anything. Next, remove the Readme file from your working tree using Git rm or your file manager. This stages deletion. Then stage any other updates, commit with a clear message explaining why you removed the file, and inspect the commit with git log and git status to confirm. If you must preserve history, create a backup branch first and consider adding a brief note in the commit describing the rationale. Once confident, you're ready to push the change to the remote repository. Now push your commit to the remote with git push origin your branch and watch for permission or branch protection errors. Address them by requesting a review or lifting protection temporarily. Once pushed, verify on the GitHub web UI that the README is gone and update any documentation or links referencing it. If something goes wrong, you can revert the commit or restore the file from your backup branch. That way, you recover history while keeping the repo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.